Module 5. The common disaster types in India. The High Power Committee on Disaster Management identified 31 types of disaster. Tsunami has been added in 2005 in this list. So we can just list the water and climate related disasters as flood and drainage management, cyclones, tornadoes and hurricanes, hailstorms, cloud burst, heat wave and cold wave, snow avalanches, droughts, sea erosion, thunder and lightning, tsunami. So almost all terms they are very familiar. Moving to the geological related disasters listed as landslides and mud flows, earthquakes, dam failure or dam burst, mine disasters, chemical, industrial and nuclear related disaster as chemical and nuclear industrial disasters, accident related disasters as forest fires, urban fires, mine flooding, oil spills, major building collapse, serial bomb blast, festive related disasters, electrical disasters and fires, air, road and rail accidents, boat capsizing and village fire, biological related disaster as biological disasters and epidemics, pest attacks, cattle epidemics, food poisoning, natural disasters as droughts in India, floods, cyclones, heat wave, cold wave and fog, earthquake, landslides and tsunami. Moving to the drought in India, around 68% of the agricultural land is prone to drought in varying degrees. Of the entire area, 35% receives rainfall between 750 mm and 1125 mm, which is considered drought prone, while 33% which receives rainfall between less than 750 mm is considered chronically drought prone. Primary cause of any drought is the deficiency of rainfall. A prolonged period of relatively dry weather leading to drought is a widely recognized climate anomaly. Can be devastating as water supplies dry up, crops fail, animals die, and malnutrition and ill health become widespread. The environmental effects of drought, including salinization, groundwater decline, increased pollution of freshwater ecosystem, and regional extinction of animal species. These are the effects of droughts. Moving to flood, it is one of the most common disaster occurring in our India. Flood prone countries in the world. India is one of the most flood prone countries of the world. Principal reason for flood is the monsoon, highly silted river system and highly erodible mountains, those of Himalayan ranges. Annual rainfall in India is 1150 mm with significant variation across the country. Flood results in the outbreak of serious epidemics, especially malaria and cholera. Sometimes water remains standing over larger area for long span of time, hampering the rabi crops. Then the main causes of floods are heavy rainfall, inadequate capacity of river to carry high flood discharge, inadequate drainage to carry away the rainwater to streams or rivers, landslides blocking streams, typhoons and cyclones also cause floods. Cyclone, the major natural disaster that affect the coastal region of India is cyclone. Cyclone separately we have seen how cyclone is formed, what is the phenomena causing cyclone, etc. in the earlier module. India has a coastal line of about 7,516 km. 10% of the world's tropical cyclones occur in India. 71% is in the states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Pondicherry, and West Bengal. About 5 to 6 tropical cyclones form in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea and hit the coast every year. When a cyclone approaches the coast, a risk of serious loss or damage arises from severe wind, heavy rainfall, storm surges, and river flood. Heat wave, extreme positive departure from a nominal maximum temperature result in a heat wave during summer season. This leads to human mortality and discomfort. Cold wave and fog, occurrence of extreme low temperature in association with incursion of dry cold winds from north to subcontinent are known as cold waves. Cold waves mainly affect the areas to the north of 20° north, but in association with large amplitude troughs, cold wave conditions are sometimes reported in states like Maharashtra and Karnataka. UP and Bihar are ranked the highest terms of casualties from cold wave, and this could be due to the poor development and lack of shelter in the outdoor workers and farmers. Earthquake, the entire Himalayan region is considered to be vulnerable to high intensity earthquake of magnitude exceeding 8 on Richter scale. 4 major earthquakes occurred in the regions Shillong, Kangra, Bihar, Nepal, Assam, Tibet. Scientific publications have warned that very severe earthquakes are likely to occur in any region in the Himalaya, which could adversely affect the lives of million people in India. Landslide constitute a major natural hazard in a country. It can cause loss of life and damage to settlements, agricultural fields, and forest lands. Then monetary loss is about 100 crore to 150 crore per annum at current prices of the country as a whole. Landslides are common in Nilgiri range. It affects the Himalayan range and the Western Ghats. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of water waves caused by the displacement of large volume of body of water, usually in an ocean. Earthquake occurring beneath the sea level. Water above the reformed area are displaced from its equilibrium position. Release of energy produces tsunami waves, which have small amplitude but a very long wavelength. For a tsunami to hit in Indian coast, it is necessary that earthquake of magnitude greater than 7 should occur. Two such possible zones are Andaman